guys! So today I'm going to be giving you a art room, aka bedroom tour. So I've noticed that you guys have probably seen my desk, you might have seen my bed, maybe a few other things, but you haven't really ever seen my whole room. So I didn't want to leave you guys in suspense, so I decided I'd give you a bedroom tour. And by the way, you've probably noticed that I changed the name of my channel to A Girl and Her Sketchbook. I just thought that was a really cool name. I've had a kid teaching kids art as my name forever, really. And I was so young when I came up with that name of my family, so I decided to change it. And so I was just really excited about that. So I just figured that I'd let you guys know. Without further ado, let's get started. So, working my way through my room, I'm going to start over here. I have a dresser over here, just has all my different clothes in it. For example, open this drawer, here are all my shirts and pants. I keep most of my pants, and I keep all of my pants actually in here, and then some of my shirts, others I hung in my closet, and then here are some PJs. I have some stuff in the other drawers, up top as well. And then in the very last drawer, you'll notice that I keep all of my bags in here, and I keep some old things. Like this is a blanket that I got when I was very little. I have some cotton balls down there for some reason. Just a whole bunch of different things in here, mostly bags. And some old like small blankets and stuff. Oh, this is not showing, but even though it's not showing, I can show you this. I sewed this with my grandmother whenever I was really little. Well, of course, I wasn't really the one who sewed it, but I put together the colors and stuff, and so that was really fun to do. Hopefully, this will shut this time. There we go. So now, right next to my dresser, actually, first I'll go above my dresser. I have some pictures, me and my sister, and right above it, another picture of me and my sister whenever we were young. I think I might have been 6 or maybe 7 when these photos were taken. Now, right next to my dresser, I have this cork board, and it has a whole bunch of different things on it. Notes from friends, notes from family members, pictures, a whole bunch of different kinds of stuff. Now I have these clips. I have a Christmas card in here, a Christmas card from my sister, Christmas card from another friend, and another Christmas card from a friend. And you can see I have these clear clips up there, but they're not just clear clips. So let me show you something. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1. There we go. They're also little lights. I got these from the friend that gave me this card, so that was just super sweet of her, and I really love them. They go all the way throughout, right up and over here. So in my room, I also have, right above that, I have a picture of me and my dad, a picture of me buried in the sand. And if you're wondering, all of these pictures of me playing in the sand and that picture at the beach is where my grandparents live, at the beach. I found a prince, I call him Daddy, it's right above that picture. And then right over here, this is something my dad made for me whenever I was little. It just has a whole bunch of different things on there. So right next to this corkboard, I have a shelf. And I have this that I made. It says, I got it for a Christmas present, but like it was like a craft. It says, throw kindness around like confetti, and it's like one of those things that you can move it around in. So I just thought that was really cool. I wanted to display it up here. I have headphones back there. Lead me, guide me, walk beside me. Sunglasses, and a picture of me with my friend. Now over here, I have, when I count my blessings, I count you twice. My mom gave that to me. This is a whole bunch of shells from the beach. It says, when oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. And then this says, let your faith be bigger than your fears. And I just have some rocks that my friend gave me. Well, not really rocks, but my friend gave me those. And then these, I painted. This is an elephant. This one says joy. And the part that's just bare rock glows in the dark. So down here, I have this. This is like some lights, and I painted it. This, I made the container, and well, not all of, but a lot of my pencils and stuff are in there. I had this dish that has some jewelry and earrings, and then I have coasters with a cup over there that I painted the cup at All Fired Up. And then right over there, I'm not sure if you can see it. I don't know why that's there, but there's just a little shell from the beach. Right next to that, I have a whole bunch of books, my tablet, a whole bunch of other things in there, my Bible, books, binder, a whole bunch of other things. I have these 2 little stuffed animals. This one flips. It goes from holographic to just mint green. And then this one is just a cute little dog that I got from an old friend. This is something my sister made for me for Christmas last year, and I keep a lot of my paint pens in there. And then I have some, I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but there are some essential oils. And then there's this vase that has a bookmark in it that I made that says Girls Support Girls. Now right over here, this is one of my favorite things. I have this Ferris wheel that I made out of popsicle sticks, and it actually spins. And you can see it has all of the chairs in there and all of that stuff. So there's that. I keep that right down there. And then the last parts of my shelf, I have some string, some more string next to it, and then a lot of more books and stencils and a whole bunch of other things back there behind it. And then I have this drawer with some flowers coming out of it, and in here I keep this notebook and then all of my stuffed animals in here. So I do actually keep one stuffed animal on my bed, which is where I'm going to next. This is the bookshelf, and then over here's my bed. I have this old blanket as well. I got that when I was little as well. I have this rabbit that I've had since I was like 3. And then I have this array of pillows. And you might notice that right behind there are the words Ellie. Well, there's the word Ellie. And then up here I have some pictures with me and my friends hanging with some pins. And then I'm about to paint these canvases that's gonna say peace. Now right over here is just my light switch, my door, and then I have my heater and some air freshener. Now moving on over here, I have my desk. I have this bag. I like to keep it on my chair because it's one of my favorites. I have this lamp, focus. It's focusing as best as it can. I have this lamp over here. I have some jewelry down here in this little dish that my friend gave me. I have this TV looking thing, but it kind of works as a computer. I have like the keyboard and mouse and stuff over here. I have some homework, and which I normally keep on my desk in my sketchbook. I have some makeup and just things I use to get ready in my mirror. You can kind of see me. Hey! We have my baptism certificate right up here, and I have the colored pencils and markers I use in a lot of my drawing videos in this little pot that I painted. I have right above that, I have some notes from family members and friends. I have this picture of me and my friends, and I have this little dream catcher. And right underneath it, that's where I kept my computer stuff and a trash can. Now, right over here, I'm gonna go into my closet. I like to hang my backpack on the door of the closet, and then whenever it's the weekend, I'll put my backpack inside of my closet. This is what I have in here. It's kind of dark in here, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that, but this is my closet. I have a lot of shoes and stuff hanging up here. I have a bucket full of a whole bunch of different things. I have a pillow, a yoga mat for some reason, and this microscope that I got. If you haven't seen that video where I unboxed it, you should check it out. I have this signature from Tinkerbell whenever I went to Disney World one time, and then Bippity Boppity Boutique, also from Disney World. I did Tinkerbell because that was one of my favorite things we got to see. I have my hamper. I have a little sloth pillow. It's one of those Smushimals. I have a mermaid tail blanket, some paper and markers. I have a whole bunch of different things in these drawers, but the majority of them are art supplies. I have some old canvases that I've painted. It's kind of hard to see back there, but I have some old canvases that I've painted in the past. And I have a little art box, but you can't really see it because it's dark back there. Of course, it's a closet, so I have all my clothes. I have a lot of jackets and shirts. Up here is just kind of things that we didn't really know where to put. It's just kind of used as storage. I have back here, I have this, some stuff that I use for sewing. I have this painting, it's one of my favorites. This one of a deer. And then back here, there's just a box full of a whole bunch of colored pencils. And then in these drawers, the bottom drawer, I have extra fabric I'm trying to remember what I put in these drawers. This drawer has, oh yeah, it has a whole bunch of old markers and pencils. And then this top drawer is pretty heavy, but it has a lot of different things in there. There's this little box, some pictures, a lot of them actually, a little microphone, and a jewelry box. I mean, not a jewelry box, a little music box. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I couldn't think of that name. So that is my room. So that was my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, and where I show you a lot of the art things that maybe I even showed you in this video, then please subscribe so that you can see more, and hit the notification bell so that way you're reminded whenever I post a new video. Bye everybody!